Okay, so there's a lot of speculation about when monsoon will arrive in India, in specifically parts of Maharashtra, in Mumbai. So I just want to make one thing clear. Today is 15th of June. I'm making this video late at night on the 14th of June. Tomorrow, early today, it's 15th of June, and monsoon has still not arrived in Bombay. So it's not that we won't receive rains this year. It is true that the rains will be delayed. It is true that the rains will be deficient than the amount that we receive. So, but we will receive rains, and by the weather pattern, by the Indian Ocean dipole, the weather system, the pressure belts which are forming. So we should receive rains by 20 to 23rd of June. Onset of monsoon should begin in Mumbai, and rest we can hope for the best, and we can learn from this experience that this unusual pattern for Mumbai, the clouds are simply not drifting towards Mumbai coast. They are passing away from the Mumbai coast, and that's because of the increased concretization, the cutting of mangroves. We are not planting forests as much as we should. We are cutting them down at a faster rate. These things affect formation of clouds. These things affect how the moisture is absorbed, and the moisture absorbed forms the cloud. So um, the heat system, the pressure difference between the land and the water, I don't want to go into deep geography of all of it, but when they say that we need to take care of our climate, otherwise the climate will let us know that it is not taken care of. We need to take it seriously. We need to respect the nature. We need to do our best, contribute our best to not let another such situation happen in such a vast scale. And at a personal level, we can choose to go green in as much ways as possible. So let's not get disheartened. Let's look forward. It's an El Nino year, but it's not as bad as it is being shown in the news channels. Take it from me, I have studied the climatological patterns much better than the anchors. I've been following IMD, and stay positive. Thank you.